back to my channel. My name's Isa, and today is that special time of month where we do a lovely unboxing. I got my Boxycharm box in, so I figured I'd open it up for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So we need to open this up, and I'm gonna use a pencil because I don't have a knife on me. No, just... I got it open. All right, so I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Whoop. All right, let's see what we got. All right, first thing I see is a little Boxycharm thing. Ooh, and 10% off of Tarte. Love a good discount. And then first thing I see that instantly grabs my attention is the Tarteus Pro Glow. And it is a liquid highlighter in the color Stunna. All right, so let's open her up, see what color we got. I've actually never used a liquid highlighter. This is kind of new. I'm just gonna put a little dollop right there so we can see what we're working with. Ooh. All right, got a nice, very pretty. It's kind of a champagne-y kind of color. I like it. I'll give it a shot. I've never used liquid highlighter, so I mean, why not? I do like Tarte products, so I mean, should be good, should be good. And the next thing I'm seeing is Addis, I don't know, Addis High Definition Liquid Lipstick. And it doesn't say the color on the box, so we're just gonna, it's got one of those stickers. I hate those things. Always so hard to open. And my nails are not helping. Okay. Oh, okay, finally. All right. Ooh, this is a pretty color. This doesn't have a name, but it is kind of a brownie, kind of nude color. I am a big fan of brownie nudes. Hence, I'm wearing a brownie nude right now. Just gonna do a little swatchy swatch. Very thick. I take it, it's super pretty. It's a really nice color, I like it. I'll probably wear that and that. The next thing I see, Pores No More Vacuum Cleanser. Pore Purifying Max, Dr. Brandt. Ooh, I've heard this brand is really, really good. You know, it's kind of expensive. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. I am a big fan of masks. I wear them quite often, at least 2 or 3 times a week. Does it smell? And then, what else do we have? I've got the Brow Gal Instant Brow Hair in the number 2, a tinted brow gel with microfibers. All right, I don't know what that means. I don't really do much to my eyebrows. I really just kind of like tweeze them and brush them. I don't do anything really to them. And the paper is stuck to me. Ugh. All right, let's see what this is. Okay, it looks a little light for my eyebrows. It's kind of like, I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of a light brown. I mean, I have pretty dark eyebrows. So, I mean, I'll give it a try. I mean, it can't hurt. Hopefully it doesn't look like light brown. It looks like it's supposed to be a lot darker than what is coming out. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to brows. Just gonna brush them in. The last thing I see is kind of interesting. It is a My Little Pony palette with ColourPop. I do love ColourPop. Everything about ColourPop makes me super, super happy. So, oh my God, it's beautiful. Wow. Okay, check out these colors. That is absolutely pretty. I am really feeling this purple color and this really bright blue. Wow, okay, let's do a little swatch action here. See what we got to work with. All right, I'm gonna do that purple color. It's a little powdery. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little powdery. and sort of pigmented. I kind of had to rub it a few times to get kind of an actual color. It is kind of powdery, but that one is really pigmented. Let's give this very silver color a try. Ooh, okay. All right, they are pretty pigmented. The one thing I noticed is that they are powdery. Don't know where to rip this off. We're just not gonna worry about that. But I mean, I like it. I would definitely give this a try. It's really, really cute. I love the fact that it's My Little Pony. I didn't watch My Little Pony as a child, so this doesn't really like, oh my God, My Little Pony, that's so cute or anything like that. But I could see the appeal. The names are pretty cool. Butterscotch, Blossom. I'm assuming those are My Little Pony names. So yeah, I mean, it's very pretty. I do like it. So we got a few things. We got a liquid highlighter, some brow stuff, kind of got a full spectrum of things here. So let's see how much everything cost. Okay, let's open her up. It says eye candy, and the Tarteist Pro Glow liquid highlighter is $29. That is definitely muy expensive. And then the ColourPop palette is $16. The Dr. Brandt Pore Normal Vacuum Cleanser is $74. So we've definitely already with the first item got our money's worth for this box. The Brow Gal is $22, and the High Definition Liquid Lipstick is $24. So that's pretty cool. I know that this month's box, you could get one of, I think, 4 palettes. I wanna say 4 palettes. It could be more, I'm not entirely sure. But I mean, it is really cute. The pan sizes is nice. They're not like super big or anything, but I mean, I like the colors. There's definitely a lot of options that you could do. So that's kind of nice. I mean, this box was definitely cute. I mean, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So I mean, it's definitely worth it. I liked it. I think that my favorite thing out of this month's box was probably definitely the liquid highlighter. I've never used a liquid highlighter, so I'm really excited to give that a try. So yeah, well, that's all that I have for you guys. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and click that little bell notification so that you know every time that I upload. I'll be here absolutely every single Saturday and sometimes on Wednesdays. And as always, I love you guys very, very much. And until next time, bye!